Impacted include Fond du Lac, West. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Sauk County and south central Wisconsin until 12:15 a.m. At 11:09 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Spring Green, or 12 miles southeast of Richland Center, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Baraboo, Reedsburg, Prairie du Sac, Wisconsin, Dells, Lake Delton, Spring Green, West Baraboo, Plain, North Freedom, Rock Springs, Loganville, Hill Point and Leland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.